Hey guys, welcome back to another episode inside of Max's Remarkable World. It's been a while since I've recorded in this series. Well, for me, for you guys, it only came out like not too long ago, but anyway. Num. Very tasty. Right, Augustus, you can stand up and you can join me. Anyway, today to the tree of subs, I'm gonna be. Oh yeah, I forgot to add someone, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'll do that in the next episode. And okay, so now we have the fully completed theatre. I'm gonna show you the inside now. Okay. So over here, we've got the little ticket booth thing. There's the front of it, and then there's the little stilts at the back, and there's a dome. You enter through here. Little nice carpet, benches, and books, or like magazines. And in here is the main stage. It's a bit boring in here, but it doesn't matter. And who knows, maybe one day we can put on a little show here. But anyway, today we are going to be heading over to the Funland to build a brand new minigame. And the type of minigame I'm building today is a water game. Well, it involves boats, water, and ice boots as well. Frostwalker boots, that's the one. Alright, I did design this a long time ago. Well, not too long ago, but probably like a month ago. And we're building it right next to Spread It. It's a funny name now I think about it. And here it is. Here is the layout for the game. Let's just start getting rid of all this. I don't know if you guys remember, but I remember getting these netherite tools and stuff from I got this from, I went to the Nether and I counted this guy, and when I defeated him, he had netherite tools and armour in his chest. Hence how I've got all these netherite stuff, which is cool, which means I didn't have to do any work for him. I think it should be like this, really. Ah, yes, I've got an idea. Like that. Oh yeah, you see what I'm doing here? It's quite a simple pattern for the rim of it. Oh shit. Whoa. It's not always going to be the same, but that's alright. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so let's do this. Alright. Let's do this. Do it. Yeah, there we are. That's the rim of it done. Now what I need to do is, now I need to get rid of all of this grass, so I can do the bottom bit. Let's just, start getting rid of all of this then. I enjoy excavating or getting rid of, grass. I enjoy doing it. But let's just continue to do it. I'm worried that my shovel, so it's Silk Touch and Efficiency 5. Or Efficiency 6, I think. I don't know. I can't remember my Roman. I can't really remember many Roman numerals. So I'm gonna have to, like, you know, do my best to, like, not kill my shovel here. I don't know where old Franklin's gone. He's probably built a new lair somewhere else. Probably far away from the world this time. Probably not as close as his old, like... Probably not as close as his other bases were. Probably built somewhere else. I don't know. Maybe one day we can go on a little search or a little scavenger hunt for it. I remember spleefing Crane and old Franklin into the ground on Christmas Breakout, or on the Christmas special, which was awfully ruined by Crane the Shark because he kidnapped my friends. But, you know, we live, so we pray. Yeah, but, you know, so we pray. Anyway, start getting rid of all this. Alright, so let's do it. Oh shit. Like, oh shit, I nearly fell off. Anyway, let's just do this now. Oh yeah, my shovel is nearly dead. I'm probably going to have to repair it after the episode. Tell you what, guys, I will speed this up. Right, that is the time lapse over, and this is what I've been doing. Right, I just need to find the middle for the next bit. Okay, so where's the middle? I don't think there's a middle here, but you know. Just do it like that, I suppose. Yeah, it's looking good. Right, yeah, and then I'll add the water off camera, and yeah. That's in today's episode. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and give it a like. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!